Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a rustic wildflower centerpiece in a lovely compote. While the trend is for wildflowers, the reality is, as professional florists, they're generally commercially grown. So today we've got feverfew, scabiosa pods, bachelor buttons, blueplurum, all giving us that just picked out in the fields look. Then filling in with some gorgeous ranunculus, hypericum, celosia, and astrantia to make it extra special, picking up on that blush, updated to maroon. And on trend with foam-free design, we'll work with floral netting. Pull off a section and then contort it, building an armature with multiple layers. That's the trick. If you have just one or two layers, it won't be secure. So you need multiple layers, then fasten it down in, letting it fit to the container, secure it with waterproof tape, then add fresh water mixed with flower food. To provide a nice base for the flowers, I start with foliage, a variety of different things to create a nest of interest, nice texture to build upon, some Israeli ruscus, a little bit of plumosa, maybe some leather fern, just feeding it into the weave of the floral netting, a little bit of fascia, and as I work, radiating around a central binding point, some towards the front, some towards the back, and then of course, some breaking the line of the container. With the form established, I can go back and add my wildflowers. I'm going to start with the blueplurum. And with it being fresh water and flower food, it'll hold so well. Just taking it, placing it straight down in, maybe a little bit of the feverfew, again giving it a cut, placing it straight into the weave, a little more of the blueplurum, angling it to help break the line of the container, and more of the feverfew. And just alternating back and forth with the different materials, always thinking about radiating, and give it that very casual, loose designed look. As you can see, at every stage, you want to stop and look at it from all angles. Make sure that it's pretty. So when it was foliage only, it was a design. Now filling in with the wildflowers, it's a design. Now going back and adding in the rest to create focal emphasis, establish better spacing, and yes, even more texture. Texture is so on trend. And as much as you think it's too much, in today's world, you can never have too much texture. So tucking in the roughly ranunculus, drawing attention to the focal emphasis area, bringing in the color of the blush with the hypericum, maybe repeating a second stem, letting it extend a little longer, bringing in the astrantia, again picking up that deeper color, the celosia, giving some nice drape, that feathery touch, adding yet one more texture. Then the scabiosa pods, capitalizing on the rustic theme, and a few of the bachelor buttons to add that touch of blue. Then just repeat, adding those materials, radiating, making sure it's beautiful from the front and the back. With all the textures, it gives you a fabulous rustic look. Take a look at it from all sides. Make sure it's complete. There's no holes. The balance is good. Now, as I was working, I tried to think logically in bunches for best value. Now, obviously, in the foliages, I did not use full bunches. I used 4 fascia leaves, 4 plumosa, 4 Israeli ruscus, and 4 leather fern. So I worked in 4s. Then, as I moved on to the wildflower look, feverfew, 1/4 of a bunch. Blueplurum, 1/4 of a bunch. Then I started working logically in tens so that I used the whole bunch. 10 of the fabulous ranunculus, 10 celosia, 10 scabiosa pods, 10 astrantia, 10 bachelor buttons, and 10 hypericum. Again, looking at it from all sides, you can see it's a fabulous on-trend design. Working on trend with textures, wildflowers, blush to burgundy creates a rustic design that's sure to be a favorite. As you're working on your creations, do take a picture. I'd love to see it. If you have questions about how to create it, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us at the website, flowerschool.com, or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Because now it's your turn. Create your own rustic bouquet with that wildflower look. Take a picture, post it on social media, and tag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see as you create and do something you love.